Okay, this is the information related to our partnership account, and we are going to make two statements. One is about appropriation of profit and loss, and second is about current accounts. Information is given to you about Mr. A. Capital is 20,000, drawings he has taken 1500, right? And Mr. B's capital is 15,000 and he has taken 1200 as his, you know, drawings. And there is no current account available. It can be business first year, so there is no current account, right? Sorry, there is no current balance. Now, what is the information is related? We are going to do the question about it, and we are going to make the profit and loss statement. This is our appropriation account. Appropriation of profit and loss, right? First of all, we are given the net profit, and let's suppose net profit of the business is 30,000, which was not included in the information, right? Now net profit is 30,000. What we are going to do is we are going to implement the agreement, and first of all we talk about the interest on drawings, and interest in drawing is always added, right? So interest on drawings Mr. A drawing is 1500 and the ratio the percentage of drawing was 10%, which is equal to 150. Mr. B's drawings were 1200 and again 10% was 120. So altogether 270 are added in the net profit. So now it is 30,270. This figure is appropriated according to the agreement. The next step is less interest on capital. Mr. A capital was 20,000 and interest was 10%. Interest was 10%, so it is equal to 2,000. And then Mr. B was capital 15,000 and again 10% was its percentage, so which is equal to 1500. Altogether 3,500, which will be deducted from your profit. Interest on drawings is added into the net profit. Interest on capital is deducted or subtracted. So if we deduct 3,500 out of 30,270 minus 3,500 is equal to 26,770, right? This is again divided, and we give a heading share of profit, and share of profit is again half divided equally. So it means that we will give Mr. A half of this and Mr. B also half of this. So 2670 divided by 2, 2670 divided by 2. So let me divide it by 2. Your answer is 13,385. 13,385, which is again is equal to 26,770. That's how we prepare our appropriation account, or you can say appropriation of profit and loss statement or account. There are not given many points like salary, commission, right? Only 3 points are given to you. Profit is given to you. Number 1, interest on drawing. Number 2, interest on capital, and sharing profit is half equal. There can be other points like salary is given to Mr. A, salary is given to Mr. B, or commission is given. Lekin here we haven't done it because of this space. Now what we are doing is, with the help of this, we are going to prepare the current accounts. How we prepare current accounts? We will transfer all this statement, or we will copy paste, you can say. We will transfer all this information into our current accounts. Now in current accounts there are 2 partners. This is A, this is B, again A and B, right? Now first of all we will transfer the drawings. Drawings are here. Drawings are in the debit side of the current account. So here we write first what was the balance of drawings. The debt A was 1500 and B was 1200. This is taken from the information. Now we will transfer this information into the related columns, debit or credit. First of all, we gave the interest on drawings. Interest on drawings is also written in the debit column of current accounts. Interest on drawings, right? Mr. A was given 150 and Mr. B was given 120, Now this point is transferred, so I erase it from here, right? So that you can see the other points over here. Now, let's come into another point of agreement. Interest on capital. Interest on capital comes here. Interest on capital comes over here in the credit side because it increases the current account. Mr. A was given 2000 rupees and Mr. B was given 1500. So this is also transfer, and again I erase this one from here. And now we have one more point, and that is share of profit. Share of profit is also come in the credit side of current accounts. And Mr. A was given share of profit. Mr. A was given 13,385 and B was also given 13,385. And now the last step is that we will balance our current accounts. We will balance our current accounts. As you can see, this is our heavy side. ठीक है, 15,385, and this is our, you call it 13,3. Let me add it. 13,385 plus 1,500, which is equal to 14,885. And here you have only 1,200, 120, 1,500, 150. So this is altogether 1,650. If you deduct, this is our heavy side, so if you deduct from 15,385, so this is your balance for A, 13,735. Here we write balance CD, and if you calculate 14,885 minus 1320, answer is 13,565. So it comes to 15,385 and it comes to 14,885. This is our balance CD, and here comes our balance BD, 13,735 and 13,565. That's how you prepare your current accounts. What you have to do is, in current accounts, that you have to transfer all your appropriation account into current account. Every information you will get from your profit and loss account, appropriation of profit and loss account, and you will just copy paste it into the correct columns of current accounts. You have to read the agreement first. What is capital, okay, or what are the capitals of partners, what are the drawings, what is the agreement. An agreement is very, very important. Two things you have to remember. In current accounts, debit side comes drawings and interest on drawings, and here you comes with interest on capital, share of profit, salary, commission. Salary and commission are not here, so we haven't written it. That's how we transfer. And these two at the end, these two balances will go into the balance sheet. They will be added in the capital accounts. They will be added into capital accounts respectively. Whatever is capital of A is 20,000, so you will add this into 20,000, and B's capital was 15,000, so here you write that 13,3,565, you add it with your capital. That's how you write it and you complete it, right? So I hope it's not very difficult. Hopefully you will do it. In future we will be practicing, right? We will be practicing every day. So still we have 3-4 more classes. Hopefully inshallah you will run it. Thank you very much.